everyone. Today we are going to talk about the different neurons and their involved in nervous system disease. First of all, what is the nervous system and neuron? There are two types of nervous system, since it consists of brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. The brain plays a central role in the control of most bodily function, including awareness, movement, sensation, thoughts, speech, and memory. Some reflex movements can occur via spinal cord, passive without the participation of brain structure. The spinal cord is connected to a section of the brain called the brainstem and runs through the spinal canal. Cranial nerves exist the brainstem, nervous roots exist the spinal cord to both sides of the body. The spinal cord carries signal back and forth between the brain and the peripheral nerves.
In the nervous system, which are also called nerve cells. The neuron is the fundamental unit of the brain and the nervous system. It could send motor commands to our muscles, receive sensory input from the external world, and transform and relay the electrical signals.
Let's find out some common nervous diseases as examples to see how different neurons involve in them. First disease is Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is a rapid-onset peripheral facial nerve neuropathy. It can cause lower motor neuron facial palsy. The exact cause of Bell's palsy is still unknown. Sometimes edema can result in swollen nerve, compressed by the facial canal in the skull, then it might block or damage signals in the neurotransmission. Or when you get stressed, the herpes virus can be reactivated, then cause inflammation on the nervous system. When the motor neuron gets damaged or compressed, the neuron lost its neuromuscular junction, which means the connection with muscle fiber can be destroyed, then it becomes paralyzed. There are a lot of symptoms about Bell's palsy. Because it depends on the location of affected area, the most possible affected area is near the facial nerve and geniculate ganglion.
Let's see another disease, Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a disorder of the nervous system. It is a result of damage of the dopamine that is released by neurons called substantia nigra from the midbrain. Once you get Parkinson's disease, your pain level will be changed, you may get depression or anxiety, and your behavior may be changed. On top of that, your gastrointestinal will be disturbed, constipation will be occurred, and there may be problem of dysbiosis also. Dysbiosis is the imbalance of microbiome. The causes of the Parkinson's disease is still unknown, but it is associated to the environment toxin, oxidative stress, genetic, advanced aging, inflammation, and immunological. Once again, the responsible neuron is Niagara that releases dopamine from the midbrain. Symptoms of the Parkinson's disease are there will be shaking in hand or arm, muscle will be rigid or stiffness, there will be problem in the body balance, and the movement will be slow.
Let's talk about Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder disease where nerve cells in brain die. It's caused by the forming of beta amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangle in neurons. People with Alzheimer's disease suffer from loss of memories, difficulty in learning, change in personalities, and difficulty to organize their thoughts. Now, let's take a look into the neurons.
The cause of Alzheimer's disease is the presence of abnormal levels of beta amyloid proteins. They clump together to form beta amyloid plaques on the surface of neurons. It affects the normal signals between neurons, results in brain function impaired. Then is tangles. The presence of abnormal chemical change causes tau to detach from microtubules and stick to other tau molecules, forming thread-like tangles inside neurons. This tangle destroys neurons' nutritional transport pathway, which leads to self-death.
In conclusion, nervous system is the major organ containing brain and spine. A small injury on these parts can make whole body paralyzed, or bring different disease, or even death. Thank you for listening.